Hello everyone. Let me talk about our new update. It's a Excel utility which you can use to send notifications to your WhatsApp customer. So what I'm gonna do, not taking too much of time, and straight away share my screen and show you how it is possible.
So I logged into Office O365 and you can see ORAI notification is enabled. How to enable it is basically you just need to go to Insert, go to Office add-ons, and here once you search it, I have currently already installed, so I can see utility is already there. So once you add this, it will be quite prominent at your toolbar. Now, how to set your notification? So once I click this, as you noticed, there is certain option which is available. It said what is the type of API you are using, what type of a template it is, which phone number or WhatsApp API which you're going to use, and what is the SID, auth token, what are the different type of a template you have, and then the send button. So basically how it works, you can see the phone number, the status that whether the message is being sent or not, and multiple parameters which you might have in your template. So let me quickly start. So for this time, for the sake of a demo, what I'm using ORAI. And once I use media template, now you can see rest of my data is being automatically fetched up from the server. But for all those, you need to have WhatsApp API registered with ORAI, definitely. So once you do that, what it's showing is, based on the media template I have selected, and I just have one template right now. And once I select the template, it says that this is the content which you are about to send to your customer. So let me see. For this demo, I'm using my number only. So my number is 919008001140, and the notification needs to be sent to me as the first parameter. So this is the first parameter, and the parameter I'm writing in double quotes, Sujit. This is the value which I need to pass. Thank you for connecting. Here I want the value as ORAI. There I go. And here I want to say, check the Excel utility in this video. So this is the basic content which I need to, or basic notification which I need to pass it on to one of our customers. So you can have n number of customer here and all the parameters of these customers, and you can hit the send button. Before hitting the send button, as I said, it's a media file. So it's asking me to choose a file. So let me select one of demo file. So it has to be MP4 video content less than 16 MB approximately. So now I'm all set to send this template to this number. What I need to do, I just need to select this and hit the send button. Just notice the send notification message is being sent. It's immediately shows that. I just need to go back to the WhatsApp, and here I am. Hey Sujit, thank you for connecting ORAI, and check the Excel utility in this video. Now you can see the video available, the content, and the different call to action buttons are available as part of the whole notification section.